What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I know if you're like me and my family, you love some fried chicken. So I'm gonna show you how to cook the absolute best fried chicken tender. So this is a secret ingredient. This chicken has been brining in pickle juice for just about an hour now. I'm gonna pull it out, throw one little coat of seasoning on it, then we'll toss it in the flour and get it in the skillet. As always, I got some Meat Church Holy Gospel. Gonna give her a light dusting before I throw her in the flour. So our grease is nice and hot. I'm gonna take a couple of these chicken tenders and try to toss them nice and good in this flour before we throw them in the grease. The chicken's done. I have my beautiful assistant here to try and taste test it for us. So,
hi.
Tell us what you think. How is it?
It's good.
Is it better than regular chicken?
Yeah, I like the hint of pickle-ish, but not too pickle-ish.
There you go. It's the best chicken tenders you'll ever have. So that's the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I tell you what, I will give a sticker, a Flying V barbecue sticker, to anyone that can correctly guess which restaurant makes their chicken that way. Like I said, I'm gonna be making a lot more videos coming up quickly, so stay tuned. See you guys later.